Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about other features on the Snapchat's platform, which are creative library, lens folders, and create lens and filter. So let's have a look at this. So on the platform, when you go to manage ads under creative, you will find these three options. So let's look at creative library. Creative library is basically a database where all the creatives which you're using in your campaigns will be stored out here. So you can create new ads also over here and you can keep them stored for any future campaigns which you're planning to build. And then quickly you can access them into your campaign and you can run those ads. So this is basically a database where all your ads, all types of ads will reside in one place. Second is creative insights. So the top performing creatives, low performing key creatives, insights will be shared with you. So whatever ads which you're running in the campaigns, looking at their performance, Snapchat will give you an idea, analytics about which are the best performing ones and the lowest performing creatives from the account. So looking at that, then you can optimize them further. The ones which are doing really well, we'll try to create more such ads. The ones which are not doing that well, we will modify their language, we'll modify their videos to make them similar to top performing ones. So that's your creative insights, which you will get here. Last is media library. So this is a database of Snapchat itself where it is going to show you all the images, videos which we have used in one place. So you can find them over here and you can uh, check out what all images, videos have been used so far in the account. So that's the first one, which is creative library. Now, if you go to lens folders is where we can create new lenses which can be used inside our ads. So to create new lens, we first need to have a lens folder. So that's what we do here. Once you create the folder, then we can create new lens. So this is the lens builder where we can create this. So let's say we want to create a AR lens from scratch. So this is where you can see we will be able to create the AR lens, okay, and you can give all the information required like text, sound, image, which you can add over here and then build this out. So this will be the option which you get over here. And this is getting built inside the create lens. So this is where you're going to create the lens and filter also. If you want, you can go to the filter section and where you can add your text, sound, images to build out a AR, specifically AR lens filter. So these are going to be the three features which you can use primarily around creatives. So having all the creatives in one place, creating lens folders for creating different creatives from that is what we are trying to achieve from here. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.